Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because Halloween is coming, and because Halloween is coming, I have a 3-part series coming where I'm going to do some really easy last-minute Halloween costume ideas, mainly involving makeup. And yeah, so today I'm doing Pennywise, the clown from It, and I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get started. So I want to look cute in this video, or in these looks. I don't want them to be just full-on creepy or exact. I want them to be kind of cutesy, inspired looks. So this one is, like I said, Pennywise. So I'm going to start with my Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm going to go in with this color on the top right of the palette called Obsidian. It's a pure black, so you totally can use any other black that you might have in your collection. Using a flat-ended brush like this, I'm just going to go straight in with Obsidian, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. Because I already have my makeup on and I really don't want a ton of fallout ruining my face makeup, I'm just going to put a little cotton pad underneath my eye. Next, I'm going to take this little Dior 5-some palette that I have. It's called 876, which is Trafalgar. And I'm going to take this kind of berry red shade right in the middle. And then just taking a tapered crease brush, I'm going to start to blend and smoke out this black look on my eyes. Then going back into my Prism palette, I'm going to take just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this color Saturn, which is a little bit more orange. And I'm just going to continue to blend out that pink color. Then taking another crease brush, I'm going to go back into Obsidian, that black, and I'm just going to smoke that out a little bit further. Pennywise's eye makeup is pretty messy, so I'm not making this a super clean look. Then after all that is kind of blended out and smoked out how I want it to be, I'm going to take a little a small brush that I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with. I'm going to take something that's a little bit fluffier, kind of like this angled brush right here, and I'm going to go into this really super white color Lucid at the top of this Anastasia palette, and I'm just kind of going to go right underneath my brow bone to add a little bit of highlight and to smoke out and blend out that stark orange color underneath my brow. Then with a small pencil brush, like the Sonia Kashuk one, I'm going to go back into that black color called Obsidian, and I'm going to roughly run this below my lash line. Then taking a black eyeliner, I'm just gonna reline my waterline and my tight line because I had eyeliner on earlier today and it has worn off. Then to make sure that stays as black as possible, I'm just taking the Morphe M165 flat angled brush, and I'm going to pop that into my tight line to really cement down and deepen the color of that eyeliner. Then with the same fluffy brush that I used with that Trafalgar color, I'm going to go back in with it, and I'm just going to barely smoke out underneath my lash line. Again, I want this to look kind of messy because that's how Pennywise's makeup looks. So I'm just kind of extending this out, really making it look like I just slept in a sewer trying to attract little children to my balloons. I'm going to touch up my face makeup just a little bit because it's been on my face all day. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Shape Tape concealer in the color Fair Beige, and I'm just kind of going to re-highlight the center areas of my face. Then I'm just going to dust a little bit more powder on my face because I have gotten a little shiny throughout the day. Perfect. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer as well. This is the Bobbi Brown bronzer in the color Stone Street, the one that I use in every video. Now, because Pennywise is a my kind of clown. Because Pennywise is a clown, I'm just going to take a little bit more blush than I would normally. I'm just going to concentrate it on the apples of my cheeks. And because no look is complete without highlight, I'm going to go in with a little bit of MAC Soft and Gentle and just add that on the top of my cheekbones. Perfect! So my original plan wasn't working at all, so instead I'm going to take this Kylie lip liner in the color, what color is this? Mary. And I'm going to start outlining Pennywise's smile with this instead. Okay, now that I have kind of the outline done, I'm actually going to go in with this NARS lipstick in the color Cruella. Fitting. Another villain. And then I'm going to take my angled Morphe brush, M165. I'm just going to lightly stroke this on the lipstick to get some color. And I'm going to go over my original drawing. Then using the same lip liner that I used for my face, I'm gonna go and do my lips. And using the same lipstick I use, I'm also going to go over with my lips, or go over my lips. Because I just really want this color to all match and everything, I went ahead and went over straight on with the lipstick on my face because I just really wanted it to match. I would add some fake lashes, but I don't really want to waste a pair of expensive fake lashes just to take them off again. So instead I'm just going to go over with a little bit of extra mascara. Then just to add a little bit more fun to this look, I'm taking my MAC Fix Plus powder on a flat brush. I'm taking some of this red MAC glitter in the color Glitter Reflects Rust. And I'm just kind of very lightly patting that where the red lipstick is. All right, and that is my finished Pennywise look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. I think this turned out really cute. I think the glitter really added like a different dimension to it. I think it's super fun, super cute. It's literally so easy, you guys. This literally took me like 30 minutes, which I know for some of you is probably like, oh my God, 30 minutes. But it's a Halloween look. You can throw on a white t-shirt, maybe throw some fake blood on it or put some big red buttons on it with a Sharpie and you are good to go. You have a cute Halloween look and you can run off to your Halloween party. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like down below. Also click subscribe because it really helps me out and I really hope you would want to stick around for some more videos. Stay tuned because I have 2 more super easy, fun Halloween makeup look tutorials coming to you very soon. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.